How are you guys? So today is our fourth session or Green Mile session, and today we have a very special guest coming from the finance or banking industry, and I'm with our president and CEO, Ms. May Petilia.
Thank you. Wow, you're so formal this afternoon. I can't believe it. Okay. Well, this afternoon, baka isipin naman nila, no, that just because we have a very special guest who's a financial expert. Naku, math to. Pero to, baka naman mabore. We actually have invited him because he's practically an expert into this aspect of livelihood, financial literacy, financial wellness, and we all know, being parents, being working individuals, that financial wellness is another important aspect.
True.
Na gusto rin nating i-share, especially na si Green Mile is a good partner in improving that aspect of their lives.
That is correct.
Kaya, wala na akong iba pang iimbitahin to practically share tips or say information of how we can improve in financial wellness other than my former boss and my mentor. In my past life, ganon, in my past life, I have been in one of, the corporate companies in Makati, So one of my bosses was our guest. He was my mentor, especially on investments, especially on business venture. We've had quite a lot, even in non-government organization implementations. And all those things, decision making, oh my goodness, I can only count to one of the best, and I've learned a lot. And whoever I am right now in terms of business consultancy and advisory, it's all because of him and the other boss, who is my barkada also. Ayan. So please welcome, without further ado, a former boss, a mentor even up to now, and I even consult him in terms of my personal career choices and decisions. Even when I transferred to Green Mile,
Yes.
he knew what I was about to do and I was about to decide. Please welcome, no less than, talo tayo nito, may 11,000 followers to sa Twitter.
Correct.
Mr. Gus Cosio.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for your time.
Well, sobrang naman yung introduction mo sa akin.
Gusto mo ba showbiz? Siya ang isa sa mga original na
Yes.
Apo Hiking Society. Ayan. Para may showbiz aspect naman, sir.
Really, indeed.
Sir, maraming salamat sa time. Thank you for joining us this
No,
afternoon.
ikaw pa, may...
Yan. At taga-Tacloban siya.
Yeah, oo.
And one thing, he
Leyteño.
also registered as a G-Miler. Ang sister niya lang ang
He did.
nag-i-implement. Yan.
Sa Quezon City.
Sa Quezon
Diba?
City.
Quezon City, oo.
Ayan. Si Ma'am Diday. Hello,
Hello
ma'am,
po.
in case you're watching.
Watching.
Ayan. Sige, Ses, ano ba ang ating topic for today?
Nakaka-excite today because our guest is, for me, he's one of the best. Kasi sa mga
Basta
storya mo,
English kaliwat.
ready ako today.
Nagbaon siya ng maraming English
Bakit?
this afternoon, madam.
Dapat, kasi Ateneista siya. Di ba?
Huwag mo naman sobrang.
Joke lang. Anyway, sir, so I have prepared 3 questions lang naman for you, just to share bits of information, especially sa mga G-Milers natin. Kasi sabi nga ni Miss May, ang laking tulong or partner natin talaga, ang Green Mile, at saka yung mga G-Milers natin, especially when it comes to business, di ba? So, yeah, our topic for today is financial wellness. Yun. So, and the first question, sir, is how does low financial wellness and literacy can lead to high financial stress?
Well, first I'd like to ask you, what do you mean by low financial wellness?
Meaning, sir, kulang or may scarcity financially.
Difficulty.
Yes, difficulty.
Difficulty
Making
making
both
ends
ends
meet.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
Well, low financial wellness, see, a lot of Filipinos get themselves deep in debt
Yes.
because they can't make ends meet, no?
True.
Di ba?
Ouch.
So when
Eme.
Aray ko. Aray
Sir,
ko.
wala namang
No, but it's really when you get into debt because, of consumption. Meaning,
Right.
It doesn't make anything productive. But for example, if you get into debt and buy, let's say, something for your business,
That's
no?
true.
Let's say inventory that you can resell, or you pay for some kind of a course that can allow you to earn more money. It's not bad to go into debt for that purpose.
Becomes leverage.
Oo. But if you go into debt simply because you're going to you need it because for food, you need it to pay for electricity, what happens when the next bill comes?
Yes.
Utang ka ulit. No? So you go deeper into that, and once you get to a certain point, you might not be able to to rise up, to recover from it, no?
Exactly.
Or keep up with the bills.
Oh, you'll go to desperation, and other things will
stress.
happen. Maybe you stop sending your kids to school, things like those,
Yeah,
diba?
crucial decisions.
Oo. So it's important that even before you get to that low level that you're speaking about, no, that you already make plans on how to get out of it.
Correct.
Diba? Look beyond day-to-day living and look forward to how you can improve your wellness. So because you see, what people don't understand is that those that cannot secure their financial wellness get sick.
Totoo.
Stress.
True.
Stress,
Stress
no?
related.
Depression.
Physical wellness mo is affected, as well as
Your mental.
mental
Yes,
wellness.
that's correct.
So that's the answer to your question. It leads to high stress, not just financial stress, but all aspects of your life is stress.
Anxiety, no
Anxiety.
peace of mind, you can hardly sleep.
And even relationships.
That's right. Ay,
Even
gusto yan ni Sir
relationships.
Camila. Ang mga
Oo.
relationship joke.
Pero totoo po yun.
Yeah. It's strange
You're
relationship.
I tell you, there was a time that I was really, terribly, what do you call this? I was working abroad, and then I came back, then I worked abroad again.
That's right.
And then it was during the financial
Financial
crisis,
crisis.
the Asian crisis, and banks started to merge, and so at that time they were letting go people, and since I just recently went back to Hong Kong at that time, alam mo pagka ganyan, last in first out.
That's true.
So I was among the last in.
Lesser cost.
So first out. So for about for a few years, I was what they call this. I was just doing consultancy, doing projects here and there. So nothing regular. So I came to a point where I had to borrow money.
Right. That's true.
And well, fortunately, I was able to get out of that, and in a matter of a year or so, I was able to. I was in debt for almost about 7 figures. So,
Right.
But I was able to recover. But it's important that you look beyond the day-to-day. Diba? You have to have a plan on how to
Improve.
bring yourself to a level of security.
Yes.
Diba? Financial security. That's really what financial wellness is all about. No? Looking at your future financial security.
Right. And working towards it.
And working towards it.
Yes, that means either you get to stick in one regular job, or maybe take other jobs, juggle multiple jobs, maybe
Or
one job, day job at a consultancy.
Yung tinatawag nilang side hustle.
That's correct. I'm so good at that.
Yeah.
Mga racket.
That's,
Mga racket.
if you realize now, a lot of people, they do side hustle.
That's true.
They do side hustle. And if you're not in that mode, medyo you're lagging behind.
That's correct.
Parang
That's
kulang,
right.
sir.
Yeah.
Parang kulang talaga.
Oo.
At the same time, you're not maximizing
Yeah.
whatever your competency, whatever your
Potential.
time, potential that you have, because you might not just know. You're not just limited to a day job.
Wow.
ba?
Correct.
You can do a lot more for yourself
Yeah.
while also, working towards that financial security.
See, the thing about side hustles, I tell you, so you have your job.
Yes.
That's fine. I mean, you may have fun in your job, but sometimes you can even have fun in your side hustle.
That is correct.
And
Oo.
in relation to that, Green Mile, pwede natin gawing side hustle.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly. That's the whole point
Correct.
that we have Green Mile, sir,
Yes.
which I'm sure you know because you're part of the G Miler distributor. Because we want to let everyone know that this is practically suited
For
to
everyone.
every
Yes.
single type of individual.
Yes.
May you be a student. We have one G
Yes.
Miler distributor who's a college student right now, a working mom, working parents, even couples. We've trained couples, and even really retired people
True.
who does this. The
true.
mother of Julius.
Yes.
Right? Si
Saka
Tita
yung mga
Zen.
taga Bacolod, yung kay Miss
Yes.
Yes.
We even have a priest now.
Oh, really?
A parish priest
True.
who just recently joined to be a distributor in Iloilo.
Correct.
So you see
Whoa.
how it fits in,
Yes.
how it matches to every single lifestyle, because they realized that the commission as well, including the kind of network, the kind of community that they become part of, is something also valuable to them.
Correct.
You mentioning community. That's very important. Alam mo, wellness, I think, does not just stop at financial wellness or physical
Physical
wellness, but having a community that you can relate to.
That's right.
Right.
Ano yan eh, it's a I keep on because I'm 73,
Wow, and you are that healthy. Tell them how do you call that? The
Pull-ups.
pull-ups that you do at 73.
Well, I can do as much as 10.
Wow.
Fred, ikaw, lumaban ka.
Parang isang
Yes, that's how healthy Sir Gus is. And, of course, I've been with him in several
Right.
travels abroad. He's the one not complaining at all. He's the one helping me putting all the luggages above the train decks. That's how strong he is at his
Wow.
age.
At
And this is a
73?
post-retirement job.
Exactly.
Oo.
Saka may side hustle pa.
Yes, very sharp at that.
Totoo.
So,
Yes.
as you get older, sabi nila, it's important to have a
community.
community,
Totoo.
people you can relate to, and I think something like this, is able to allow you to access
That's right.
community.
A community with shared experience, shared values, shared purpose. That's the exact whole reason why we actually are building a community with Green Mile.
Correct.
Because it's more than just coffee. It's really a lifestyle at the same time, the community that you want to belong with.
Oh, tsaka,
Right.
it's healthy.
It is. Bakit
Yun,
napagod ka
yun,
nga
no?
dito, sir? Sana ka 73, ganyan ka
Oo.
kalakas.
Pwede natin gawing model si Sir.
Yes, especially for
I mean,
ano.
at 73.
Oo.
For barley, for
Pwede mo siyang
71.
nasa sticker mo or nasa standee.
Na
At
ganun yung-
73,
Opo, di ba?
just take barley.
Right.
Diba? Ang galing eh. And now he's taking our barley,
Barley,
actually.
exactly.
We let him try our final formula for barley.
Yes, yes.
Because we're coming up with our barley product soon. Hopefully, when everything is all set. And now, shout out ka muna raw.
Shoutout ako kay Sir Ricky Lacandazo. Hello, sir. Thank you for watching.
All the way from Palo,
Palo.
Leyte. Yan talaga mga gusto ko sa mga taga-Palo. Eh.
Hello po.
Supportive.
So, balikan ko lang po kasi you mentioned about commission. So, yung commission dito, potential commission dito per week is 8,625. And can you just imagine?
Penny
in a month,
sipag, oo.
meron kang 34,500 or double it. Depende naman yan sa drive mo.
Oo.
Magbenta.
Yeah.
all. Kaya siya, di ba, sir?
And as you grow older, you build more the community, you have more friends. And ako, for me, it's never hard to sell something that's of quality.
And healthy.
Unhealthy.
True.
That's true.
True.
And for me, knowing that, just a trivia, Sir Gus, his son is a coffee connoisseur.
Yes.
And they both are coffee connoisseurs.
Yes.
So they really know what
Correction, ha? 2 sons.
Two sons, yeah,
Oh, really?
including the other son now, right?
Because,
So technically, coffee is in their DNA. Diba? So talagang they know every single type of coffee. When we were doing our taste test sessions, I went back to my previous company, syempre, joined them for lunch, and served them our coffee. And they loved it. And every time we have new formula, I go back to them because I know their feedback is also credible.
Right,
One
right.
time he told me, May, I think it would also be wise or good to have a black coffee because there are also part of the market
Which we
that
will have.
Now we took it from there.
Although
Uh-uh.
I've been drinking that every morning.
Wow,
It is
Mr.
encouraging.
Kirk, that's why you're so fit at 73.
No, you know why? Because I gained some pounds eh.
And now,
So sabi ko, I want to,
yes,
ano,
very good. That's how it is.
Are you drinking it in
become
the hot or
proactive.
ice?
I drink it hot.
Yeah, because it's a hot coffee.
I don't really like cold coffee. Eh.
I
Hot,
see,
hot ako, hot.
Ayan. So, see, even them who are already coffee connoisseurs, they agree that our coffee is really healthy and really tastes good.
And for them to say that, especially, exactly kasi coffee connoisseurs sila.
Connoisseurs, yeah.
Diyos ko, ang level ng kape
Yes,
natin
that means
of
we're
high
really a quality.
Exactly.
Knowing that one of the son is really almost the poster boy, if not the only poster boy of La Union.
True. Baka kilala nila yan, for sure. If they go to La Union, then
Alam
one of
nila
the-
yan.
El
For
Union.
La Union visitors and guests, the son of Sir Gus is Kido.
The owner, di
The
ba?
owner of El Union.
Yeah. Oh, di ba?
Ayan.
Kilala yung natatawag natin. Kilala
At
yung Steve
malay
Ray.
mo, we can have Kido here.
Who knows?
Taste our coffee
Naku, nakaka-excite
and
yan.
check out his feedback, diba? Because
Nakaka-excite
I'm
yan.
almost probably with the family every now and then. Ayan.
Yeah, you've been, ano, to
Yeah,
La
I've
Union,
been to
no?
La Union.
More than once.
More than
Oh,
once, yeah. More than once. I've also been with the family
Mm-hmm.
more than once.
Maybe we can have a team building dun sa La Union. Kung kaya kaya
Yes.
nila.
At saka ito pa, your mom. Tell them about your mom. How old is she?
Oh,
And
my
she still
mom
dances
is
boogie.
98. Oo.
98 years
Dances
old.
swing, boogie, and Argentinian tango.
Oh,
Talking
you
about
see?
healthy.
Yes, she's very maybe we can invite her over here
sure, of course.
once we're done.
Nakita na ni May magsayaw yung mom ko.
I met the mom. She dances so well with a DI.
Pwede natin ipasayo kay Sylvie.
Yes! Oo, yan. Especially when Barley comes out and all the rest of the portfolio, we can let his mom try it too.
Naku,
98
looking
years
forward,
old. Can you
looking
imagine?
forward.
With the dancing heeled shoes.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Ang heels ng mami ko, mga at least 3 inches.
Yes, that's how
98.
healthy the family is. And I think si Sir Gus, ever since I met him, he's really been conscious and consistent with taking care of himself. Self-care is very important,
Yeah.
sir.
Naku, dapat gayahin ko si Sir.
Oo, sleep. Di ba, sir?
I'll start
He doesn't
later.
want early morning flights for our travels.
Hindi
He
ako
wants
mag-flight
to
ng
sleep.
early.
Oo. Ang gaya ang ginagawa namin, we fly in a day before so he gets good rest,
Rest.
and then the activity starts the next day. We're already on site. Yan.
Hello?
Oo.
You see how amazing our topic and
Yes.
our session today.
And he's also, kumbaga, self-made man. Mm-mm. He started from the ranks in Metrobank. Tama, sir?
Yeah.
Oo. Until he became a president and CEO in one of the major banks. Oh, di ba?
Ang ganda ng session natin today kasi especially kung yung mga nanonood ngayon, ang daming kapupulutan talagang aral. Financially,
Tips.
nako, tips. Mag-i-enjoy ho kayo. So, that was just the first question. That was just the first question. And here's the second one, sir. Why is financial wellness important?
Well, financial wellness, of course, is important. Remember, you have to organize yourself. Una, we are all going to live long. I mean, or at least we plan to live
That's
long,
the target,
diba?
yes, sir.
We plan to live long, no? So, chances are, a lot of people, especially Filipinos, they do not have, or they cannot budget for their savings. In other words, they cannot budget for their retirement.
Right.
Di ba? So, even if you're already making sufficient enough, no? I mean, you can already make ends meet, no? How about your future?
True.
How about your retirement, no? So, when I was working, I was in a financial management company, a subsidiary, as May said, of Metrobank. No? So I was president of that company. It's called First Metro Asset Management. And we were encouraging people, no, to put out something every month. No?
Set aside.
Set aside something every month, put it in some kind of investment. At that time, we were in mutual funds. So we were telling them, you put maski, 500 or 1,000 a month, as long as it's regular and as long as it's in a proper investment vehicle, no? And the sooner you start, alam mo, meron kaming ginawang chart nun eh. If you earn X% a month and you just keep putting 500 pesos, and let's say you start at age 30, by the time you're age 60, you'll have something like about you've already put aside about 3 million pesos.
Wow.
Something like that, no?
Without
So,
even noticing
yeah,
that you're
well, of course, you have to put it in a proper investment fund, no? Okay, so the thing is, if you feel you're already making enough, fine, sige. You want to now fund your future.
That's right.
Diba? You want to fund your future. So if you can make a little bit more so that you can fund that future, that's really your goal for total financial wellness.
Oh, I can use that formula.
Ay, bongga.
Diba?
More realizations agad.
Diba? Kasi relatable talaga to.
Yes,
Maraming
yes,
salamat
yes.
talaga for this one. Kasi
Yung mga iba naman, how do they do? So they do that, they have a savings plan. Because let's say, unlike si May, na ginagawa lang Quiapo ang New York,
Uy, grabe ka naman, sir!
parang Quiapo to Makati ba, sir?
Side hustle din yan, sir!
and back. Anyway, so some people, like say, it's also good that your wellness does not stop at just scrimping and saving, but part of it is also having to be able to experience new things. So, financial wellness or wellness in general, maybe you want to put some money away all the time or regularly because you want to travel. I mean, even if it's only, let's say, Japan or it's just Vietnam,
Or even a local trip.
or even a weekend in Boracay. Some people, they borrow so that they use a credit card and then parang payment. Something that's not so healthy.
Award.
You listen.
That's not so healthy.
Kaskas today, cry tomorrow.
What is more healthy is, for example, you can save 500 or 1,000 a month. Then, after about 18 months, you have about 15 to 20,000 pesos. Yan. Meron ka ng pambili ng plane ticket, meron ka pambayad ng Airbnb or whatever, di ba?
Right.
And then you enjoy yourself.
And that's part of wellness.
That's
because it
very much part of
True,
wellness.
because it breaks the monotony.
Oh.
Also when you work too hard, even with side hustles, you also get to a point where fatigue catches up on you. It becomes too monotonous that you practically lose motivation sometimes. So you have to break that by probably traveling, seeing another place, just to recharge.
Recharge and open your mind, especially, travel always, to my mind, always expands your thinking.
Yeah, the horizon.
And it relaxes you.
It
Yes,
relaxes
at the same
you.
time, you learn things that you've never learned in school.
Right.
That's one thing. One thing that probably traveling has taught us is that you know that there's a bigger world out
Oh,
there.
yeah.
And knowing that, it also becomes a source of parang motivation for you to be better because it adds up to your goal. No, I want to be like this.
And once you've traveled, you have a sense of confidence.
Yes, it adds confidence.
It adds confidence.
And you become more cultured, like in certain conversations. I remember when I was working with MRC, of course, my two bosses are at 73. They've traveled everywhere. So of course, for the management, what they did for us to have more experiences, because it's totally different when you negotiate with an Israeli, when you negotiate with an American company. So what they did to add experience and confidence to the executives, we always go for an executive trip once a year. So all the management committee, just the leadership who really runs the company, we go on an executive. We've been to Barcelona, we've been to Italy, because the bond also helps how we decide.
Yeah.
Even if we kill each other at a bull session and shout at each other and having different opinions, at the end of the day, we're able to reconcile because we've built a bond.
And what's important is that you've seen other people, you've seen how
Yes.
other people
How they work.
behave,
Yes.
di ba? You've seen some cultural things, no? Some historical things. Because chances are, if you didn't travel, if you didn't have that opportunity, you wouldn't have done that.
Yes.
Di ba? Let's say, for example, if you go to, let's say, if you go to a place like Singapore, then you will go to the, di ba, kung saan
Touristy spots,
and
yeah.
of course, they will show you their historical, their entertainment, how
Cultural.
people live, di ba? And then you widen your horizon, and it gives you more confidence. It gives you even a bit more drive, because once you have the travel bug, you want to do it again.
Yes, yes. So you work better.
You work better.
Come back even more recharged.
You have motivation
Yes,
kasi. You have
motivation to succeed
So
more.
the thing is, something for your future, something for your let's say your immediate future or your distant future.
That's true.
wellness.
That's exactly also the reason why in Green Mile, although we have not done any structured trip yet, but we're looking at certain incentives that is aligned with traveling so that it motivates our G-Miler distributors in the future
Yes.
to also do more, be more, and really love the work that they do on top of their daily lives.
And just to add, kasi na-mention ni Sir na you set aside for your savings or whatever when you want to travel. Kami, as a group, dito sa company, Sir, we have like a travel fund.
They started one.
We started to put up an amount, 500 per payout. Kasi gusto namin mag-travel. Let's say, una natin is we want to go to Aurora province dun sa...
Wow, surfing. Bakit hindi na lang
Sa
laon
Baler, sa
Yes,
Baler.
yes, yes.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
ito po yung parang example na sinasabi niyo, Sir, di ba? I mean, we're putting up something. Kasi gusto namin mag-travel. Hindi namin kailangan maggamit ng credit card or whatever.
Yes. And at least there's a goal.
Yes.
It also teaches you how to set goals
Exactly.
and work towards it. That becomes a good habit.
Goal
both
setting is
personal and-
always
Yes.
goal setting. I mean,
Yes, kasi
you
triggers
would you believe
action.
even at old age ako, I still have goals.
Wow! Ano ba mga goal mo, sir? I wanna hear it. Chismos sa kapitbahay.
You see,
Yeah.
ang amazing talaga. Amazing. Na-amaze ako sa pagpakikinig kay Sir Gus at kay Ma'am May sa mga experiences nila and the things that they know about, especially financially. Ako, I will really use the formula.
Yes.
I
And
value
it also
that.
pays to work with people like them.
Wow.
Kasi for me, I was, half their age, but they had to keep up with them in terms of, discussions,
Right.
technical know-how, or somehow information that we needed for our company to run. But at the same time, I actually benefited more because of the experience of just talking to them on a daily basis, hearing their stories, how they've done it while they were at my age, or bringing companies into certain level of success in different areas or in different. It was really good, and I found friendship in my two bosses too.
True. I agree. Kasi nakikita ko si ate.
Oo, pero ako lang maingay lang.
I'm just in awe. Parang ayoko
Wow,
pumunta sa-
spell off.
Chat-chat na lang sa auto ko. Anyway, so here's a third question, sir. What is one way or another ways in which one can enhance financial wellness?
Well, as we mentioned earlier, side hustle is of course
Right.
one way.
So Green Mile, pasok.
Correct.
Side hustle, of course, putting more time in your existing work is also important, di ba? What they call this, collaborating
Yes.
with other people, teamwork builds financial wellness. Because alam mo, when you network,
True.
people will always think about you. Just give you an example during the pandemic, you remember the pandemic, I was able to do
Mergers.
two kinds
Buyout,
of
yeah.
two kinds of one was anong tawag dito, a little bit bigger, it was a listed company,
Yes.
di ba? And I became chairman of that company. And then the other one was yung ating
The buyout.
the buyout. Oo. So the thing is the thing is, if you, and this came about because of networking, di ba? Like the first project, friend, si Bob, remember Bob? Bob calls me,
Classmate.
my classmate calls me. He says that this company called him and sabi niya, can I help out? Sure, sige, I helped out. And at the end, when it was successful, we both came out, with something, some, and that was a pandemic,
Right.
At the time when
You never expected something out of it.
oh, and even the
Buyout.
the buyout that we did, So that also came because of a
Friend.
a friend of mine
Called you.
called me, sabi niya, Gus, meron ka bang ganito? Yan, sabi ko, I think I can find somebody, blah, 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 See, the thing is, networking is what can help you with your
Yes.
side hustle. I mean, for example, in your product, if you can get somebody to help you out, like siyempre ikaw nagsabi sa akin, di ba? You have this friend who was at the hospital.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
a hospital.
And all of a sudden,
So he drops everything
you
into the hospital.
supply the hospital. That's
That's why he has got bulk orders.
if you don't have a network, it will not fall in your lap.
Yes.
Things do not fall in your lap simply because, ika nga, di ba, I don't know, you're too young to know that one tamad thing, di ba?
Too young.
I don't know if you remember, when I was young, there was this character called one tamad.
Yes.
Oh.
That just waits for the
Just
fruit
wait
to
for the
fall.
guava to
That's
fall
right.
from the tree.
It was in our panitikan book.
Oo.
Panitikan?
It won't, opportunities will not land in your lap if you don't network.
That's right.
Diba?
Sure.
You have to network, you have to, and network is not difficult. Because what are physical networks? They're your friends,
Yes.
they're your relatives,
Family.
they're your neighbors, diba?
KKK.
Ginagamit natin yan.
Gamit na gamit yan namin. That's why, sir, whenever we launch our product also, we started it really with KKK.
Yes.
Oh.
Kapibigan, kapitbahay, kapatid, and another K, katrabaho, sir.
Katrabaho, yeah.
Kaya nasama ka rito. Joke lang.
Networking, I mean, that's these are the things that enhance your well-being,
Right.
enhance your even your personality, di ba? You have to you have to relate to people, di ba? You have to know how to talk to them, and then it also increases your ability to communicate,
Right.
to convince,
True.
di ba? So all this put together is really what makes up your wellness. All this put together,
It's the totality.
Dami ko talagang...
and then drink something healthy.
True.
Yes,
True.
because it strengthens the body, adds to the wellness, and naman, long life.
Correct.
Long life with good quality na health. Diba?
Right.
Look at Sir Gus. He can go to golf. He can still take care of the apos.
I mean, he can do pull-up.
He can do pull-ups.
Ako nga,
He even
isang
teaches
beses
the apos
pa.
how to swim in La Union.
Wow.
He watches the games of the apos. So he gets to really maximize and live and love the best life.
Indeed. Totoo yan. Kaka-amaze talaga, friend. Nawawaw ka na lang talaga.
Yes.
Kasi sa mga, di ba, sa mga sinishare ni Sir Gus, hindi to joke eh. I mean, this
Yes.
is really,
Real people with real stories.
Totoo yan. And that's what make our session very interesting.
That's right.
Kasi relatable tayo. Hindi lang to yung binebenta lang natin ng binebenta.
Yes.
We want to make sure na related palagi ang session natin to everyone.
Topics.
Diba?
Something relatable for everyone, not just for our Gmilers, but the community we are building.
True.
At the same time, how it aligns with the shared values,
True.
the journey. Because, of course, Sir Gus wouldn't be here also if he doesn't believe us or
Correct.
the product or the things that we do here.
Correct. Sabi ko nga kahapon, hindi tayo iinom or hindi tayo gagamit ng isang produkto kung hindi natin gusto.
That's right.
So si Sir Gus, hindi namin may invite kung hindi niya gusto yung produkto natin.
At the same time, if he doesn't believe in what the company is pursuing.
Correct.
Kasi ang mga ganyan, hindi mo yan mapipilit, friend.
Totoo yan.
Hindi mo rin yan mabibili.
Totoo yan. Kasi kahit na
I don't think I can afford him.
kahit na magkaibigan kayo, di ba? Kung
It
hindi niya
still is different.
Correct.
So,
Totoo yan.
I really appreciate the presence of Sir Gus having
True.
the time to join us. So, sir, pang last mo na lang na advice to everyone
Yes.
on wellness and financial literacy or financial freedom. What is it one thing that you would want to remind everyone?
Well, the most important thing about financial freedom, really, is to make sure that you pay yourself forward. And how do you pay yourself forward? By creating some kind of a financial surplus, diba? Because that's the way that you can pay yourself forward. See, the opposite of that, is a road to perdition. Diba?
Yes, that's true.
Like I mentioned, if you're always in debt, meron kang uutang ka para bayaran yung utang, and then it will end to a rock bottom
Totoo.
and
Totoo po, sir.
perdition. If you look at Spanish and French, in Spanish it's perdido.
Yes.
In French it's perdu. Both mean lost.
Right.
And
Sa
so
atin, sa
perdition
wala.
means,
Perde.
that's why perdition means total loss.
Right.
So total loss happens if you don't manage yourself, manage your physical wellness, your spiritual wellness, your mental wellness, and your financial wellness.
That's true.
Yeah, that's a holistic approach.
Right.
Yes. See?
Ayan, so ano naman namin, shoutout muna natin si
Ate Marlene
Hello po,
from Ormoc City. Hello. Thank you.
So, aral of the day.
Wow, meron kang paaral of the day.
May mga takeaway tayo.
POV, pulot of
diba?
the day.
Pulot of the day. Siguro based sa lahat ng mga sinabi ni Sir Gus, dapat kasi magwawaray ako, Tagalog mo lang test kasi hindi ko
Hindi
kaya.
ko kinaya.
Kumakain
Translation.
May translation po tayo. Kung ano't kaya hitsweldo,
Kidaw.
didtula ayaw pag-igbaw. Kaya igbaw ka nga ni friend. Maulol haulo, mabaray daliton.
Yes,
Tagalog ba?
yes,
In
yes.
English mo,
Now,
English
kasi
mo.
the usual is
English.
live within your means. But I think for us na mga nanggaling na sa mga ganyan na
Right.
we always say live below your means.
Yes,
so
exactly.
you have a certain threshold right there that keeps you on a safety net.
Right.
You have to keep something for yourself, savings for emergency. So live below your means. So you have extra.
That's what I mean. Naunahan nila. Sabihin ko na sana, sa Tasha. Di ba?
Pero naiintindihan rin natin na marami ring pangangailangan, especially now. Everything is so expensive. Even having kids, raising kids
Oh,
is
yeah.
very expensive. That's why having a side hustle would really help you a lot. That's where we come in.
Lalo na pag Green Mile.
Yes,
Oh.
we become partners. Kailangan lang dito sipag, kailangan lang of course to really be trained, be equipped, and wala ka namang aalalanin sa ating product kasi it's quality. Sabi ko nga kanina with some of our ambassadors, ambassadors. The thing about our product is that we can face anyone, any time of the day.
For sure.
Because we are confident of the quality of our product, the taste of our product, and even if I go on a hall, inside a hall with all the owners of the big brands, I can
Definitely.
stand confidently and tell them about our product and even let them taste it because I'm very confident of how we have formulated our product.
And they can hear it actually. You can hear our confidence.
Yes,
Of
yes.
course.
Ako talaga, I
Diba?
never back out. I never back out because I believe in our mission, our shared purpose, at the same time, the
True.
quality of our product.
True, true. Ikaw, Seth, ano ang pulot of the day?
Ako, I guess, for financial wellness, it all boils down to lifestyle too.
Right.
Because with all of my mentors, from Secretary Pitilia to Sir Gus and to Sir BMB and even to the founders,
Yep.
I can see all of them, they maintain a certain simple lifestyle.
Totoo yan.
Hindi sila lavish. Even the founders of Green Mile,
Right.
I can see they're very simple, they're very relatable. Even if they can actually afford, like si Sir Gus, he can afford to travel anytime. He can even go to travel,
True.
diba? He can even afford a lot. But you know what? We enjoy shopping, thrift shopping. We were in Italy. In fairness, sinabayan niya ako. We were in Italy, in Ponte Vecchio.
Between you and me, I only buy when it is a bargain.
Yeah, see, that's how it is. Because some of them, even if even the other friend of Sir Gus, who you also is our boss, they've lived simple lives because probably they've seen everything.
Right.
So it's pretty much easier. Kahit pag nagla-lunch ako sa kanila, ang mas gusto nilang kinakain yung kung sa aming palinapuhan ba, you know, the steamed
Linawagan,
vegetable.
linawagan.
I don't know how it's called in
Linawagan,
Tagalog.
oo.
Habang ako, dun ako sa kaldereta. So when they tell me, may have some fish and vegetables na lang, sir, sanay ako niyan. Sa paglaki ko, halos isang isda nga lang kikain na.
Hindi ka na kumakain ng isda.
After a while, because nga, ayoko ng isda in fairness sa Manila, may lansa kasi. Sa amin, wala. So yun. So they live very simple lives. They're very truthful to what they really want to do. They're very intentional in a way in their lifestyle and their goals. But they still work hard even at their
Right,
age.
right. Si Sir, 73.
Halos hindi yan sila nagpapahinga.
Oh, hello.
Oo. So that's one thing. That's my POV for today.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Ate Karen! Fairness ang RCBC! Fast and easy!
Di ba?
Oo.
Maraming
Yan,
salamat,
banker si Atty. Karen.
Yes.
Kababayan rin namin yan,
Sa
sir.
Katanawan.
Yes, so if you have certain network also, in fairness, mabilis. I had
True.
one test case with them this week.
Totoo yan, totoo yan.
Tanawan in...
In Leyte, where Lechon is.
Ito sa Tanawan in Cebu. di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
JD Pipito, oh my God, si Kuya Jaime yan.
Hello.
Ang iyong driver. Sa
Si Jaime-
MRC,
si
si Jaime
Jaime
yan,
din,
sir.
oo.
Oo.
Hello
Mga
po.
loyalist natin yan.
Nanonood pala siya.
Salamat. Magbenta ka ng kapidong. Kaya taga-ormog na.
Correct, correct. Mayroon ba dapat mag-ano na sino ba si Kuya Wendell kung gusto nila ng kape, di ba? Sa MRC.
Si Wendell does the
Yes.
selling in MRC.
Yes.
O, yan.
Nako sir, maraming
It was a really good,
salamat. Ang dami
yeah.
naming
I feel so good about the sample.
Malamang nanonood din si Wendell.
Yes, I told him to do so.
True, true.
Okay.
We are so lucky and thankful talaga sir sa pagpapaunlak niyo sa amin.
Yes, thank you,
maraming
sir.
salamat.
You can always come back.
Yes.
Free ang coffee dito, sir.
Amin ang kape.
Tsaka yung barley.
Ano barley? In fairness, gusto niya ang barley.
Missy, i-ready mo ng barley ha. Papabarley tayo every time he's here.
Yun ang healthy yan si
Oo,
sir.
correct.
So with that, thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you so much.
You can still watch the replay, no?
Yes, kasi
Sa Was
ipopost
Live
natin ito,
episode because we're posting this.
And then next week, Wednesday, I will have again our CEO and President, Ms. May Petilia. And on Thursday, sure na daw.
Sure na?
Celebrity. Yes.
Ay, we have a celebrity.
Yes.
Oh, yan ang mga level mo, sir. Celebrity.
Yes,
Oo.
next week, watch out for that. And maraming salamat sa mga nanood, sa mga sumusuport sa mga Gmilers natin. At sa mga hindi pa Gmilers na huwag na ho kayo magpahuli.
Tawagan si P.
Call me
Because it's easy.
Correct.
Fast and easy.
Correct.
RCBC.
Correct. And be a member and a part of the G family.
That's right. And then you have the numbers sa TikTok. Makikita niyo ang aming contact numbers.
So, yan.
Yeah, you can also follow our pages to get notified of every single session. We have an episode
True.
for Green Mile. Sass!
Sean!
Bye, everyone!